how to set up two-factor authentication or 2FA on the Crypto.com app. If you want to add an extra layer of security to your account, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open up the Crypto.com app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. From here, tap on the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. In the profile menu, scroll down and tap on security. This is where you'll find all the options to keep your account safe. Here, you'll see two-factor authentication listed. Tap on it to start the setup process. You'll be presented with two options, using an Authenticator app or SMS. We highly recommend using an Authenticator app for better security. After you've chosen Authenticator app, you'll need an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. If you don't have one installed, go ahead and download it from your app store. Once you have your Authenticator app ready, open it up. Next, back on the Crypto.com app, you'll see a QR code. Open the Authenticator app and select the option to scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on the Crypto.com app. The Authenticator app will generate a code for you. Enter this code back into the Crypto.com app to verify. Awesome, your 2FA is now set up. To make sure everything is working correctly, Crypto.com will ask you to enter a new code generated by your Authenticator app. Just input this code and you're all set. And that's it, your Crypto.com account is now protected with two-factor authentication. Remember, whenever you log in, you'll need to enter the code from your Authenticator end. And that's all there is to it. If you got any questions or need help with something specific, drop a comment below.